Emancipation Day, Jamaica. And as we ponder emancipation, I want to add another intangible dynamic to the overall value of Jamaica's recent performance at the just concluded CONCACAF Gold Cup, talking about the positive, motivational, and inspirational effect that these Jamaican-born and bred players could have and should have on the young and emerging players in the streets and lanes and the hills and valleys across the length and breadth of Jamaica. The mere fact that Jamaica's next generation of young ballers can look on them television screen and see players who them know them name and which Manning Cup or the Costa Cup team they used to play for and which Red Stripe Premier League clubs they represent in Jamaica right now can only inspire and motivate these young Jamaican players to work and aspire to be national players and get contracts to play overseas. Remember now, them coming from a space previously dominated by the notion that no Jamaican player, no matter how much goal him score, or how skillful or creative he is, or how fit and fast and hardworking he is, he was disqualified from playing for Jamaica as long as him don't have a foreign contract. That was the message of psychological and mental condemnation that was inflicted on an entire generation of young local players. Remember the words of Marcus Mosiah Garvey, quote, "If you have no confidence in self, you're twice defeated in the race of life," end quote. That was the Mavericks Emancipation Day message to Jamaica. Thank you. Happy Emancipation Day, Jamaica. Thank you.